Okay you guys, the heat is on. My 72 Dodge Charger versus samster5677's 2015 Dodge Charger, and I think mine's will win.
And I hope that mine is powerful than Leroy's.
Anyways, get ready. My best friend Kincaid will count.
On your march, get set, go. Leroy, you are the winner. Gosh darn it, I lost the race. Leroy, how's your car so faster than mine's?
Because my engine has 4 cylinders each sides, and it's a V8.
Huh, in your face, I knew 70s cars are better than 2017 cars. Well, it's only a race anyway. I bet you took very care of your car even often.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Hey, samster5677 haven't met your family yet.
Good idea, Kincaid. Hey samster5677, would you like to meet my family?
Sure, why not? Oh my god, I need to go back home.
Mom, Dad, Molly, meet my best friend, samster5677.
Nice to meet you, samster5677.
Nice to meet you too, Molly.
So did Leroy beat you in the race?
Yeah, he did. His car is so much faster than mine's.
Well, samster5677, Leroy always will be in the garage working on his car.
I see, so your son is a mechanic.
Yes, ma'am, samster5677. Anyways, let me show you my bedroom. So anyways, this is my bedroom.
Well, anyways, I like it.
Hey Leroy, who is this fool?
Hey, samster5677.
Oh well, Leroy, I'm here because I heard that you beat this fool in the race.
For the last freaking time, samster5677.
Hey, I can call you whatever I want. You suck anyways.
That's it, Randy! Get out of my bedroom now!
Wah.
Sorry about that, samster5677.
It's okay.
Want to watch Family Guy?
Sure.
Hey you guys, I'm Peter Griffin.
And I'm Meg Griffin. Yeah. God.
Oh, Meg, how dare you distract me? That's it, you're grounded for 2 years. Go away now.
Ha 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 ha. See you guys, like, subscribe, favorite, leave comments below, and subscribe to samster5677, and goodbye.